Namaste, beautiful souls. I'm Daniela from Lotus Light. How are you doing? I'm doing wonderful. I'm offering 2 exciting workshops this week on the full moon, on the 12/12, the full moon workshop, and on the 13th of December, a dragon clearing session. So why am I offering these beautiful workshops? Because it's all about self-healing. Self-healing is a part of our experience. Self-healing is the ultimate act of self-love. Healing implies that something is out of balance. This imbalance can be caused by blockages in the energy field, such as thoughts or emotions that create physical tension, stress, anger, sadness. The actual healing occurs on the etheric energy level. The first and certainly the most powerful method of self-healing is consciousness directed toward that condition, such as positive thoughts of health, healing, or an optimistic future can change everything. So, my wonderful workshops assist you in releasing any negative thought patterns or emotions from your energy fields, from your thought patterns, your morphogene fields, from your holographic matrix, which is your thought patterns and your emotions that are connected and that create this kind of invisible matrix around you. And that's also what they create. They create you, basically, okay? The way you think and feel, that's what makes you. That's the unique you, and that's the way you also look physically. So that's quite exciting. So what am I offering? I'm offering a full moon workshop on the 12/12/2019. In this workshop, I will be working with the beloved goddess Quan Yin, the Diamond Light ReiKi. I will do a Reiki session in the workshop. Yes, you heard right. We will be working with the angels, the dragons, and the enlightened masters. The angels will assist us in enlightening our soul mission. We will gain greater understanding of who we are and what we truly want to accomplish in this life. Then we will be working with the dragons to really dig deep, deep within ourselves, to assist us with Quan Yin, to clear karmic cycles and any bonds that we have been created through our past lifetimes. Are you ready for this magic experience? We will also, once again, have the opportunity, you will have the opportunity to take part in the Ascension Share ceremony through the kindness and love of our beloved Saint Germain and Lord Seraphis Bey. They will assist us in this wonderful, powerful Ascension Share experience. So I would now love to share a beautiful message with you that I have received from Quan Yin. Greetings, 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 beloved. I'm Quan Yin, and it is my pleasure, privilege, and honor to step forth at this magical time of the year. My team of enlightened masters, angels, and dragons will assist you in purifying your central nervous system. We will be working through all layers of lack consciousness. We are a powerful team that will gradually help you to balance, energize, and remove any doubts or fear consciousness from your flow of creation, from your reality. we will lead you on a guided meditation, on a guided Reiki exercise, where we guide you through each chakra of your etheric body. You will gain more wisdom about yourself and grow from this exciting experience. I am Quan Yin, the goddess of mercy. I'm your personal guide in this magical ceremony. I am Quan Yin. Beloveds, every time you attend these powerful workshops, you naturally grow and expand to hold more and more light within your cellular structure. The more light you can hold, the easier it is for you to create the life that you truly wish to experience and live. Namaste, Adonai. Namaste. What beautiful message Quan Yin has for us. Thank you so much, Quan Yin. So if you're excited and you can make the live call, which is on Zoom on the 12th of December at 3 p.m. UTC +1, so it's European time. Once you have arranged your payments, which is for the live call 24.99 euros, and for the recording, in case you cannot make the live call, you can book right away the recording. It's 22.47 euros. Okay? Once you have arranged your payments for the live call, you will receive by email a link. That's your access link to the Zoom call, where you click on it and then you can log on to Zoom. And you're just there. And then we have our beautiful live call, which I will record, and later on we have the recording, so you can listen to it again and again and go deeper and clear more and more energetically on yourself, or etherically as well, energetically as well. So you can do a lot. And yes, and if you cannot make the live call, get the recording and listen to it. As soon as the recording is sent out, you will receive an email with the link to download it, and then you can listen to it to your own time and space whenever you have time for it, and enjoy the healing of it, the experience of it. It's so magical. It truly is. I will also post a link underneath this video, or maybe also above, so we'll see. So you can arrange your bookings right away for the workshop. Looking so much forward to it. And after this exciting full moon workshop, where we will clear ourselves and re-energize ourselves and balance ourselves, I'm going to have a dragon clearing workshop just on Friday, so the day after, on the 13th of December 2019. So what can you expect in that workshop? Well, it's a powerful clearing workshop that will help you to purify yourself from grief, sadness, anger, jealousy, blame, and envy. You see, lots of people, they get physically or emotionally, mentally attacked by those kind of thoughts or emotions that express the energy of blame, of envy, of anger, of jealousy, of sadness. And because we all are so empathic, we soak them into our own energy field, and then they hang in there, and we are like, what's going on? Why do I feel so down? Well, that might be the reason. So attend the dragon clearing. My beautiful team of dragons will help you to purify yourself with their powerful flames and breath and energy work that they can do for us. I also have a very beautiful message from a very beautiful dragon who is going to work with us. His name is Omega. Okay, that's his message. Greetings, greetings, greetings. I am Omega, the Master Dragon that will assist you in this dragon clearing session. This time we will go deeper than ever. We will work through the DNA structure, your hologram, your holographic matrix, and your morphogene fields that you are attached to. I will assist you in balancing your karma. Namaste Adonai. So I like that. So this beautiful dragon clearing is a karma clearing as well. He will assist us in clearing our karma and anything else, whatever it is that creates sadness, grief, blame, jealousy, anger, envy. He will assist us with that. Also fears. Okay? So when it is, as I said, on the 13th of December, so on Friday, at 11 AM UTC +1, so 11 AM European time, German time. And if you can make it, it would be wonderful. If you live in Australia or New Zealand, that's in your evening time. If you live in the USA, that might be your night time, so you really need to check. If not, you can always go for the recording, so you will receive the recording of the live call where you can listen to it and it will have the same effect as the live call. The only difference from the live call is that I can personally talk to you and interact with you and tell you, give you feedback right away, and you can give me feedback, okay? And you can ask specific questions, of course. So so it's at 11 AM European time on the 13th on Zoom. So once you have arranged your payments, you receive by email a link from me, okay? And that gives you access to the Zoom call. The Dragon Clearing Workshop is about 60 minutes and the full moon will be about 60 to 90 minutes. And yes, the Dragon Clearing Workshop live call, it's about 70 euros. And the recording will be also about 22 euros. So you will see the prices. I will put them below this video as well, so you can see the prices and the link to arrange your payments if you want to attend the live call. Yes, so that's my special gift, and there will be one more workshop coming up this month just before Christmas, but that's a little surprise and I will tell you more about it next time. Okay, I wish you a beautiful magical day. I bless you. Namaste Adonai.